Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am here today to help you and guide you on a golf cart, battery operated, that does not take a charge, does not run, does not drive, whatever you want to call it. So I had hooked up my power drive battery charger for my club car golf cart. That's what it looks like. Just connects there and then hooks up into there. So it's been about 3 or 4 months since I have charged it at all. A little concerned because I have never run into this issue. So 2 things I thought of right off the bat. Typical maintenance under these little white tabs. There's supposed to be water in there, so make sure that you have water in there. That's the first thing before you charge, maintain, or do anything to your batteries. Check your water levels on all of your batteries. From there, check and see if any of your wires or connections are corroded. Mine, as you can see, are not great. Well, that one's not very good at all, but most of these are doable. I've seen much worse. So I came to finally hook up my charger after a few months of sitting. I haven't had issues prior to this, but I'm sure the batteries are going out the window now. What happened is I went ahead and hooked up my battery charger. By battery charger, I mean my actual golf cart charger, not all the chargers you see here sitting around. And it did not do anything. It just stayed at 0. Right over here. Stayed at 0, didn't do anything. Thankfully, I have a backup charger for this, and I went ahead and tried that charger out. Neither one of them worked. I tried my chargers on a buddy's golf cart, and it finally did work. So the issue was no longer the chargers. Now, I was thinking it was maybe an ignition issue, a key issue. It was none of those. It ended up being that all my batteries were completely drained beyond recognition to the golf cart battery charger. Initially, I went ahead and put the key in. It did beep in the reverse position, as most golf carts should. From there, I went ahead and released the brake, hit the go pedal, and nothing happened. It wouldn't go forward, back, reverse. I was thinking that maybe my switch here for the forward, neutral, and reverse was out. Something was wrong. It's not a new golf cart by any means, so I was thinking that's always a huge possibility. And then another reason why I thought it was not the batteries was because the reverse did make the appropriate noise. It beeps when you're going reverse. So I was thinking that I was in the clear for the batteries not being good. So once I started to move some things around, try some different things, like I mentioned, tried the charger on a different golf cart, and the charger did work. So that led me to believe that it was no longer the charger. If you run into the same issue where your golf cart does nothing when you press the key, or you put the key in and press the go pedal, then the next option that I would consider trying is charging each battery individually. I know it's kind of a nightmare, but I did have to do that over a course of about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours, something like that. You do have to individually charge every single one of them, or at least that's what I did, to finally get my charger to read the battery level. So I have this little battery charger here, made my shoemaker. This is the setting I had it on. Hooked it up to one battery, and then I had my big battery charger, the trusty big battery charger. I had that one, I believe, on 10 amp 12 volt. It's more of a slow, not much of a very fast charge, more of a medium charge, because I also was anxious to find out whether something else was wrong with the golf cart. So, little overview on everything. Make sure you have your key in the on position. Make sure you have your golf cart in one of the gears. Sometimes, I guess, if it's not in forward, neutral, reverse, it may get stuck right in the middle of those. That may be another option. And then finally, maybe check your battery charger with another golf cart, or see if you can get it to prove that it's not the battery charger. And then if that's the case, if all of those work well, then you're left with charging each battery individually. Due to lack of maintenance, unfortunately, not charging them frequently enough. Those are the reasons that this happens. And finally, the batteries being on their way out. And I think that's the case in this situation. This golf cart does need new batteries. And I think the last time I charged it was a few months ago, so that doesn't really help. Keep your batteries on your golf cart charged frequently. I want to say even daily put your charger on there. That would definitely prevent an issue like this. So if this video has helped you out at all, please like it and subscribe. It'll help me out quite a bit, and I'll be able to keep on putting content, helpful content, out there for other people that follow me. Thanks for watching.